In this video, we're going to talk about solutions to inequalities. So if we have a problem like this one that says, is x equal 5 a solution to x less than or equal to 2? So to know if 5 is a solution to the inequality, plug 5 in for x, okay? So that's what you do. You put, instead of putting x here, you say that x is 5 now, right? So you put 5, and we have to figure out if 5 is less than or equal to 2. Is 5 less than or equal to 2? So we know 5 is not less than or equal to 2. It's greater than. So 5 is not less than or equal to 2. So that means x equal 5 is not a solution to the inequality. And that's all there is to this lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand that, you could rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you could follow along in the lesson as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.